Hello everyone, this is Creator Hub, also known as Josh, and today we will be covering scenes and sources in 5 minutes or less. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first part we're going to be covering is what a scene is. So a scene is basically where you put all your sources such as your webcam, your gameplay, and your overlay if you have one. Different scenes, so as you can see above I have one called Twitch, which is basically the completed version of what I'm about to show you. You can also have a intermission screen where if you go on a break for say 10 minutes you can have an intermission. It's not going to affect the rest of your scene. The previous scene where you stream your gameplay and you just click between them. Okay, so we're going to add in our first source. This is going to be an overlay, so what we're going to do is go to the sources tab and go to the plus button at the bottom. Click that, press the image button, create new, we're going to call this overlay, and we're going to press OK. It's going to ask us to browse. We're going to browse. I know it's on my desktop. We're going to go to what it's called, I think it's called intermission, I'm not actually sure. Click open. It's going to come out of a little preview window. If you're happy with that and it's the one you picked, as long as it's a PNG file it will work. Press OK, and that's how you put in the overlay. No moving around needed. Okay, so the next stage is adding in our gameplay. I'll be using the PC for this, but if you're using consoles such as an Elgato, all you'll have to do is go to the plus icon and video capture device and select whichever game capture you're using, and then the next steps are the same. So we're going to add in our gameplay on PC. So what we're going to do is go to window capture. I'm going to click on that. We're going to call it gameplay for the sake of the video. I'm going to press OK, and as you can see it's automatically come up with the game that we're playing, which is Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. Okay, we're then going to click OK, and as you can see at the moment it's a bit too big for what we need, so we're just going to line it up like so, and we're going to shift click, and we're going to shift click that into where we need it, which is here. Okay, like that. And I'm just going to try something while I'm speaking to you guys, see if it works, which it does. So now we've got our gameplay in the middle, we've got our overlay. Now we're going to move on to the webcam. Okay, so now moving on to the webcam, we're going to go to the plus icon again, and we're going to add in video capture device. We're going to call this, I'm going to call it C920 because that's the model of the webcam I have. It's a Logitech. It's quite old now, there's probably better ones out there, but that's what I'm stuck with. And here's me. How's it going? So we've clicked that. We're then going to go to the OK button, and we're going to resize that so that it fits. No, we're not. We're going to go to the webcam properties by right clicking on the webcam. We're then going to go to configure video. No, we're not. We're going to go to this custom FPS. We're going to type in 9. No, we're not, because it won't let me. We're just going to go to the drop down menu and click 1280 by 720 because that is perfect for what we need. Okay, so we're then going to set the FPS at 60 if that is an option, which it is not. We're going to go video format in JPEG 709, color range full, and we're going to keep that. And we're going to press OK. We're then going to resize it like we did with the gameplay by shift clicking and dragging it to where we need, just like so. And then we should be able to get it roughly within the box. Roughly within the box, I say. And then we're going to drag it under the overlay. No, we're not, because it won't work. So guys, that is how you add in an overlay, gameplay, and a webcam so that you can stream on YouTube or Twitch, depending on your preference, or record videos. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more. And my name has been Josh, and I'm out.